How to name this structure? So for naming, you need to, first of all, you just need to identify what is your functional group. So in this case, the functional group which is given here is carboxylic acid. So you identify that this is carboxylic acid. So very important thing about carboxylic acid is carboxylic acid is a corner terminal group. It always number one, or we always start numbering from carboxylic acid. So no worries how many substitutions are there or whatever attached to the chain, you just need to start numbering from carboxylic acid. So where do we number in this chain? We number it from 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is always 1. So we don't have to mention position of carboxylic acid. Now we find this consists of 4 carbons. The parent chain consists of 4 carbon. So it is butane. And the functional group is carboxylic acid. So it is butanoic acid. Now we have branches or substitution over it. Okay, so at carbon number 3 we have 3 methyl, and again we have 3 methyl. So we have 2 methyl at carbon number 3, and at carbon number 2 we have 2 iodo. So now is the time to name it completely, right? So what is the name of this compound? We need to mention, first of all, we need to mention the position of the substituent, and then we put at the end parent chain name with a functional group. So which substitution first? So we need to decide alphabetical order. It is I, it is M. So we know that I comes first. So we start at 2 iodo, 3, 3. 2 times substitution is attached on a same carbon, so you have to mention position 2 times, right? So 3, 3. How many methyls? 2 methyls. So for 2 we mention di, and then we mention methyl. Now our substitutions are complete. And the last part is parent chain name butane. And what is this? Oic acid. So see, we do not mention one butanoic acid. We don't have to mention one butanoic acid because oic acid is always one, right? I hope you understand.